kullanmışlar marka ve diğerleri yaşandı Renault'da.
Ladies and gentlemen, all electronic transmitting devices such as mobile phones and any device equipped with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth capability must be switched off or set to flight mode during taxi, takeoff, approach and landing, and whenever instructed by the crew.
That you choose Etihad national carrier from UAE for your flight destination Abu Dhabi. Total flight time until Abu Dhabi is predicted in 5 hours. Good weather all the way to Abu Dhabi, just a light turbulence report once we over flying Turkey airspace and later on over Iran. So I kindly remind and kindly request for you to keep your seatbelts fastened during the entire flight, even in nice weather. I will return to you giving further details concerning our flight prior for commencing the descent, and the weather prediction says sky clear and temperature in Abu Dhabi at night will be around the 22 degrees Celsius. Welcome on board and safe journey for everybody. Thank you.
Boarding is complete, all guests on board.
حضرات الضيوف الكرام، أهلا بكم على متن طائرة الاتحاد للطيران. نرجو منكم الانتباه أثناء عرض تعليمات السلامة الخاصة بهذه الطائرة.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard Etihad Airways. Please pay attention as we demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft.
يجب ربطهم أولا قبل مساعدة الآخرين.
Fit your own mask first before assisting others.
يوجد 8 مخارج للطوارئ على متن هذه الطائرة، تحمل جميعها علامات واضحة. الأسهم الموجودة على العلامات تشير إلى اتجاه المخارج. المخرج الأقرب إليكم قد يكون خلفكم.
There are 8 emergency exits in this aircraft.
Being on the air traffic control, we expect to land about 25 minutes before our scheduled time. The weather at Abu Dhabi is forecasted to be good with clear skies and the outside temperature of 23 degrees centigrade. On behalf of entire crew, I would like to thank you for choosing to fly with Etihad Airways. Please enjoy the rest of the flight. Thank you.
إعادة وحدة التحكم وطاولة اليدوية وطاولة الطعام إلى مكانهما المخصص وأن أغطية النوافذ مفتوحة. يرجى الالتزام بعدم التدخين. يجب الآن إغلاق جميع الأجهزة الإلكترونية المزودة بخاصية اللسان مثل الهواتف النقالة وأي أجهزة مزودة بخدمات الواي فاي والبلوتوث أو اختيار وضعية الاستخدام أثناء الطيران. سيتم إغلاق نظام الاتصال اللاسلكي. نود أن نلفت انتباهكم للاطلاع على بطاقة تعليمات السلامة التي تعرض العلامات الدالة على المخارج.
Ladies and gentlemen, we will soon be landing at Abu Dhabi International Airport. We'd like to take a few minutes to share some helpful information about the airport and its facilities. If you are connecting in Abu Dhabi to another Etihad flight departing within 3 hours, you will find your connecting gate information in the flight path section on your e-box entertainment system. You may only bring limited amounts of local or foreign currency into the UAE. If you are carrying more than 100,000 dirhams, you should fill in a customs declaration form on arrival. Thank you for flying with Etihad Airways and welcome to Abu Dhabi.
Good night and departure. If you wish to continue reading, please use the reading light located in your seat area. Thank you.
للساعة 8 مساء. من أجل سلامتكم نرجو منكم البقاء جالسين في مقاعدكم وأبقاء حزمة المقاعد مربوطة بإحكام إلى أن تتوقف الطائرة توقفا كلي ويتم إطفاء إشارة ربط أحزمة المقاعد.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Abu Dhabi. The local time here is 8 p.m. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the aircraft has stopped completely and the seatbelt sign is switched off. Please take care when opening overhead storages and ensure that you have all your personal belongings with you as you leave the aircraft. Kindly remember that smoking is not permitted until you are within a designated smoking area of the airport. You may switch on your mobile phone now if it is in reach of your seat area. Business class guests may use the fast track facility at immigration by presenting your fast track card. Etihad is pleased to invite our business class guests to enjoy our hospitality and range of services, including showers and shave facilities at the arrival lounge located after customs. Guests who have booked Etihad chauffeur service or the Etihad Express luxury coach service are requested to follow the sign-in after clearing customs. Business class guests connecting to another Etihad Airways flight are invited to use our premium lounges. It has been a pleasure taking care of you today. On behalf of Captain Fernando and the rest of our team, thank you for choosing to fly with Etihad Airways, the national airline of the United Arab Emirates, serving the world from our capital city, Abu Dhabi. Book and organize your next flight on our easy-to-use mobile phone, Etihad mobile app, now available on Android and iPhone, or visit etihad.com. Thank you and good evening.